Welcome to the Algarve. While we may not have Harrods around the corner or Annabelle's nearby, we have something else truly exceptional. Blackbird is one of the most iconic properties in Quinta do Lago, a place that drives discovery and inspires the imagination. Influenced by American architect John Lautner's organic approach to brutalism and toned down by tactile colors, textures, and materials, this iconic marvel achieves a harmony of luxury and design. Here, life takes on a different rhythm, breaking down the barriers between the indoor and outdoor spaces. A truly unique project, it's the emotions Blackbird inspires that makes the architecture so captivating.
From the moment you step inside, Blackbird takes your breath away. The architecture is bold yet organic. Exposed concrete, woods, and steel all come together to create a unique sense of place.
Stylish interiors flow naturally from the sunken lounge to the dining area, right through to this stunning Arclinea kitchen. Sleek, functional and designed to Italian perfection. Every space here has a purpose, captivating yet comfortable. They evoke a feeling of effortless elegance.
There's a real sense of lived-in luxury and a deep connection to nature created by the internal gardens, tucked-away lounges and intimate courtyards. If you're looking to recharge, the gym, yoga courtyard, sauna and steam room will leave you feeling connected, awakened and attuned to the world around you.
Or perhaps you'd prefer a movie night in this luxurious cinema with a state-of-the-art sound system. You just need to bring the popcorn.
Welcome your friends and family to dine al fresco and enjoy the Algarve outdoor lifestyle. We have a saltwater pool and bar, fire pit and barbecue, and just wait until you see the sunset from the rooftop terrace.
The rooftop offers a complete 360 panorama, sea, hills, golf, and the natural serenity that only Quinta do Lago offers. Blackbird isn't just a home, it's a masterpiece of honesty, uniqueness, homeliness, functionality, and attention to detail.
If you're looking for the finest the Algarve has to offer,
where nature, architecture and well-being all come together.
You've just found it.
I'm Sandra.
I'm Fred.
I'm Liza.
and I'm Sam.
We are Mapro Life Frank.
Welcome to Blackbird.
Thank you for watching.
For more information on this property,
Check reference 2561 on our website.
Or better yet, contact our office and book a visit.